In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Ink 7 Brush Rough in Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for Ink 7 Brush Rough, and click the brush to select it. Ink 7 Brush Rough is useful for creating textured ink strokes with a rough brush effect. It works well when you need bold lines, rough outlines, and natural-looking ink details. Adjust the brush size using Shift plus Drag or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for thicker strokes and smaller sizes for fine details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity. Lower it for softer, lighter strokes, and increase it for stronger ink coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes, and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when creating rough line art, sketching, outlines, or textured ink details. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas for more visible texture and controlled strokes. Build up your lines gradually with multiple passes instead of applying one heavy stroke. And that's how to use Ink 7 Brush Rough in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.